Hey guys, an update on Google. Google is pumping, comparing to Microsoft being slightly down, Meta being down the most, and then Amazon recovering a bit, not too bad actually then. Google, is up almost 6%. This is then carrying the Nasdaq to green and the S&P for now still hovering in red, but this 4-hour candle will be very interesting, especially if it can close green. It has 15 minutes left. Green and maybe even above this value area high would be very interesting. I did make a video on the S&P earlier explaining why I was looking for this 886 here. We have hit that. To me now, even increasing the probabilities more that this is indeed a corrective move and that we will take this high, rather sooner than later, okay? Of course, tomorrow, if we can, together with the oil price maybe finally starting to slow down a bit. However, I think this is gonna go for the highs here because it's, in the last video where I covered oil, I explained we have an 886 hit here. Tends to be then a B wave with a C wave afterwards, indicating that we are gonna attack this high at some point in the near future, and we're doing that now. There's really nothing left. We can just take a point of control of this range, okay? But I'll do that in a separate video. So I hope Google can carry this into tomorrow. This will boost the Nasdaq and the S&P maybe, okay? And if Amazon can maybe recover into green as well. Haven't really looked at the numbers yet. Haven't looked at the news or the projections yet. Let's see if we have that for Google. Sorry, it's a bit of a chaotic video, I know. What? 81% jump. Okay, first quarter, yep, 22%. So they are looking for a year-on-year increase of 88% then. No, wait. Sales exceeded. Okay, the net income was 81% higher than the same period last year. Okay, so that's good, okay? I think this will then maybe sustain this into tomorrow. Then how do we label it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, we need a wave 2 at some point, but I've been saying that on Intel as well. When the chart is too bullish, maybe you just don't get that sometimes. Like, do we have to go with this being the wave 2? Or is it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? This as a wave 1, this as a wave 2 then? And then this another one too, and then now just pumping. It's very, very difficult. It was more clear when we made videos here. We were talking about a correction here, and then we found this target box here together with the support box, and from there we've been really going up very nicely. Then I ultimately changed this into a wave 1 complete. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, okay? This then now could be another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside this wave 3. But this is the micro, okay? I think ultimately we need to focus on if this is really a 1, 2 setup here. A wave 3 can just go, okay? Here you can see it as well. Like sometimes you get the ranges, but at some point 1, 2, 1, 2, it just goes, okay? Looking at the bigger picture, it's super messy to look at it all now. Don't want to do that. I just want to focus on this part here, and then we focused mainly on this in the last few months. We got the move up now, and I think we have to wait, and all I can do is draw this box together with the price. If at some point we do get a move down, I will consider this being a 5-wave move complete and going then for a correction in a larger 1-2 setup inside that wave 3. But for now, it's, I have to wait, okay? This is up 6.4% now. It might give a lot of volume as well, okay? We want to see volume increase if we are indeed in a wave 3, but this will take some time, okay? It's not gonna be done like tomorrow or next week. This will have to take time. This wave 1 took a year, okay? So this wave 3, if it's indeed a wave 3, will also take some time. So we need volume the coming weeks and months, okay? But mainly what I mean with the volume from this earnings report is to determine the internal structure here, okay? In a wave 3, you want your highest volume, okay? So if this is a 1, 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we did have like some wicks here on the volume in the wave 3, but you can see here the last few days the volume has been increasing even more. So what that could mean is that if I zoom in again, I'm sorry, it's a very messy video, that this is potentially like a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and now a third wave, okay? If we really get tomorrow this, now even 7%, if we really get this boost, this pump tomorrow, and it sustains, and the volume shows with a massive increase here, okay, then I think I'm gonna maybe have to go with the triple 1, 2 here, and then, yeah, your third wave, because again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we didn't really have a pullback here to label this as a larger single 1, 2 setup. It then makes maybe more sense to label it as a triple 1, 2, yeah, even maybe a quadruple 1, 2, because considering these moves, these pullbacks are, yeah, more acceptable than if we consider this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a wave 1, then comparing this move to this pullback is very, yeah, it's very shallow, okay? And I don't like it because it makes it so difficult to, yeah, get the micro exactly correct. So okay, I did talk a lot, I'm sorry. I hope you understand the errors that I'm having, I guess. Let's see what this does tomorrow. This is the all-time high, by the way. We might open here and then maybe go for a back test of the all-time high here. That's the orange line. Yep, at 350.26. I'm just gonna add this range here, the volume profile of it, and the point of control here at 334.90. Should we go down, this can be a level of support together with then of course the fibs, but again I need to adjust this depending on where we finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.